How to know if someone has muted you on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to determine if someone has muted you on Instagram. It's important to note that Instagram's privacy policy doesn't provide notifications or direct indications when someone mutes you. However, certain conditions may suggest that you have been muted. Number 1. If the specific user is not viewing your Instagram stories or reacting to them, it might indicate a possible mute. Check your story views to see if their engagement has decreased. Number 2. If you notice a lack of likes and comments from a particular user on your post despite them being active on this platform, it could be a sign of muting. However, keep in mind that people may choose not to interact with posts for various reasons. Number 3. If you can still view their profile and send them direct messages, but they consistently ignore your messages or don't respond, it could be a sign of being muted. It's essential to observe their overall activity on this platform. If they are not engaging with your content but are active elsewhere, it might hint at a muted status. Remember, these indicators are not foolproof as user behavior may vary. Some users may choose not to react to stories or posts without necessarily muting you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.